Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I wanted to show you my brand new prayer cards that I received in the mail. And I will be doing one card a day. And they might be repeated because there's not that many in it. But that's okay. And the first one for today is today's prayer. It says on the back. And then it says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. And if you stay tuned, I will put a still photo of this in the video. So, in closing, I would like to say thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. And in closing, I will say, please be blessed, be kind, be loving, be crafty, stay safe, be safe. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Bye-bye for now.